In this body systems module, we are going to use what I'm calling Operation Frankenstein. So basically what this is every time we've completed a lesson about a certain aspect, such as the organs, skeletal system, muscular system, etc., there will be a task at the end of that lesson that will say to add something to your Frankenstein model. And to start off with, you were given a template, and this is an A3 template. It might be split over two A3 pages, but if you print them both off, cut off the excess, line them up and pin them to the wall, that becomes your template. It's good to have that digital version because then as you add to it, when you get your images, you can resize them to fit the digital version. Then when you print them off and cut them out, you know that they're going to fit perfectly. But there are some examples here. So down here you can see this was the original template that was stuck on the wall, and as each module was complete, they've added parts like muscular parts. They added a bone, some organs, the skull, etc. And so this is what you are going to need to do. So as we go through each lesson, it'll say add a specific image. For example, it might say add an image of the heart, and then it'll have some other information, and that's what this stuff off to the side is. So it may say include some information about how the heart works, include a possible heart disease, things like that. So keep in mind that these are some examples of fairly good final products as we go through. But a couple of tips: make sure that your pictures fit in the template, which is why it's good to check them and overlay them with the digital version before you print them off, because it doesn't really look great if you've got this massive skull that doesn't fit over the template and it ruins your proportional aspects. So this is the Operation Frankenstein task. Let's begin our body systems module.